So the spell check tool in Illustrator is pretty easy to find. So all you need to do is, if you've got your text, so in this instance I've made just some dummy text with some spelling errors in it. All you need to do is go edit and go spelling and go check spelling, or you can just go command or control I. So that's what will come up. All you need to do is to start the spell check, and it'll start to suggest words that are incorrect. To basically go through the whole text, it will scan all your text boxes. To make changes, all you need to do is go change, and then it will make the change based off your suggestion. You can also go into the window and type as you wish if you need to make minor changes as you go through the entire text. So say for example I4, I'm just going to ignore that and go through the rest. So I can probably go back and actually change this if I want, but you can see that it's giving me suggested words based off the language that I've got, which is English USA. I should probably change that as well. So you can just go change, I will go back, designed, and then so on and so forth. If you don't want to spell check a word, just go ignore, and then it'll skip that word. And if you want to change it, just go hit change. There are different options you can do. Repeated words, uncapitalized starts of words. You can choose to ignore different things as well. So go I4, just go change, and go done. If there are words that you want to use, say like a unique word that it's not in a dictionary, you can just go add to suggestions and it'll add to your dictionary. So it's a nice little way to keep it, keep your text check if you're doing like a text-based artwork in Illustrator. You can also go edit spelling and auto spell check as well. This method will check your document in one full sweep. Because we've done most of the changes now, we don't really need that. So it's always just spelling and then check spelling, and that's how you do it.